Former Sengeza West Member of Parliament Job Sikhala has been nominated the member of the National Democratic Working Group (NDWG), a dynamic political movement poised to reshape the political landscape. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. In a statement issued on Monday, NDWG articulated its commitment to fostering a more inclusive and people-centric political environment. Below is a statement issued by the NDWG Monday. Secondment of top governance team. The National Democratic Working Group NDWG is a mass of our people-driven movement of the democratic forces in Zimbabwe who are determined to build a solid base for our people to discuss their aspirations and find the best way forward. The NDWG has started the mobilization of the masses of our people for the ultimate convening of the National Democratic People's Convention, where people's ideas and feedback will lead to the formation of a mass-based democratic people's movement fighting for the takeover of government power. The establishment of the NDWG is the brainchild of Honorable Job Sikhala and a host of concerned citizens and progressive constituent bodies who believe that the current democratic alternatives have failed to seize the opportunities when it mattered most, when the masses of our people were ready for the coronation of their power. Job Sikhala has proved that he is against President Nelson Chamisa by officially forming his political party. He has shown his real colors. So let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.